My name is Chris Coubrough. I'm the owner of the Crown Hotel at Wells next to the sea in the beautiful county of Norfolk, England. So this dish is snow crab bisque with a herb rouille. So the snow crab we get from Royal Greenland. They come in prepared, so to speak. They've been chopped up, and we use them straight from the box. That's the great thing about it. It's very easy for me. I love snow crab for a number of reasons, really. I've got an attachment to them because I actually caught them in the waters of Greenland in a place called the Disco Bay. And we're doing the bisque today because the colour is so vibrant. Bisque is a very traditional old soup that gets made, but with the snow crab, the colour is sensational. It's exactly the colour of the shells that make up the crab itself. Also, I love the meat. It's white, it's fluffy. I always like the white meat. There's no brown meat at all in a snow crab, so white meat for me in a crab is perfect. I've got 2 kilos of the snow crab, legs and body, it doesn't matter which bit you're using, in the oven roasting away in a tray now. What I have done is I've kept these sort of claw-like end pieces because that's where I like that piece of meat and I can keep it together, and we'll use that at the end, and I've got 5 of them. Along with that, I'm gonna get the sauce started by sauteing off some onions, garlic, celery, and carrots in a large saute pan. Get them going, get the flavours out of them. Take those bones out of the oven, they've roasted down, you'll have that smell in the kitchen. It's all empowering, the smell of snow crab. It's all you can smell the day you do this. Pop those into the big saute pan as well. Add in some tomatoes themselves, it helps with colour. Tomato paste, also helping with colour, and a good dob of brandy. Add the fish stock, and you need to bring it up to the simmer. Get it up to the simmer for about 3/4 of an hour, and then I want to add this cup of rice. The rice is the thickening agent in this sauce itself. And it gives it that sort of that dropping consistency, like Guinness. Instead of being thickened with flour, which can be claggy, it's the rice starch gives up the thickening. Right, so that's boiled now for about an hour and a half in total, I guess. We need to strain everything out. No one wants to be eating bits of snow crab shell. That's not what people have signed up for here. So put that through a strainer, and we'll have our bisque in essence, our finished sauce, which we then build this dish through. Now this finishes with the rouille. The rouille is lovely. So I've also got some croutons that I'm going to put that on so we can float it in our sauce. Garnish for this, because we don't just, we need more than just a soup. This is a big time restaurant dish. I'm going to put those 5 snow crab claws into this. Also some broad beans, gives us a nice green look to it. I'm going to use some sun-blushed tomatoes around the outside. Now, for serving it up, it's got to be a bowl, this dish, because otherwise it's going to go everywhere. Put the sauce, or take a scoop of the sauce into the bowl. Concentrate on where those snow crabs have gone, because you want them to end up in the middle, I think. We want the tomatoes and those broad beans around the outside. Finished with these rouille croutons around the outside like that, gives us a bit of green. And then finish with these ribbons of parsnip crisps. This is the wonderful snow crab bisque with herb rouille.